What are you running? 212?
212, 6x9s in the kit, 6x9 there, 5 1/4. And this cover right here, this goes over the box.
So that goes over the box.
Yeah, so you don't see the woofer. It got to be cleaned up. Okay. But you know, it'll be done. Right now we're doing lights in the trunk.
Lights in the trunk. You put the lights at the bottom
yeah,
too,
we got lights at the bottom. So we're turning these galos on. We put these headlights in the front. We got 2 batteries.
Two batteries. You got batteries for the music?
Yeah, just the music only.
Ooh. How much is something running like this?
$7 grand.
$7 grand.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a processor, huh? Alpine?
You love me when you didn't have to, but you.
Alright, so this that big boy shit. I'm not even ready for this right here, right? Alright, that's what's up. Custom box.
Yeah. Okay, see the cover? The cover goes over that so you don't see any of that.
Right, so it comes down.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Oh man, that's what's up, man.
All right, you guys, welcome back to We Gon' Eat TV. We are back at the farmer's market and we decided to bring you guys along. We're just gonna grab a few things really quick. Not veggies. We weren't happy with the veggies, but we love this tea right here, so we're gonna grab some more of this tea. We're back for tea.
We're back. Oh, nice. How did you guys like the other stuff?
We loved it.
It was great, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get that again, and he's gonna find something for himself.
Yeah, what's up?
Okay.
What I recommend, I kind of just use it for the benefits of another herb that it's in there. It's our Holy Detox. Is my personal favorite.
Okay.
You guys can try it out. It's gonna give you like a nice like soothing spearmint flavor, but it's also gonna focus on like liver cleansing, stomach soothing, bloating.
You hear this? You getting this? You getting this, bro?
Yeah, I'm getting you. Oh, I'm good.
You're good.
Yeah.
Okay. And the Tulsi.
You better get you a sip.
And it kind of just relaxes you too.
Okay.
You guys
So
like
what
it?
is the price on that?
I have a couple sizes. So all the small ones are 12. I do that 3 for 30, and then I'll give you guys a free one of these. I have T-balls this week.
Okay.
And then the bigger bag gives you, so that's gonna give you like 30 cups. This one's gonna give you around 100. That one usually it's like 30. I do it for 25.
Okay.
You get a T-ball with any.
Okay. He'll try to buy up the whole store.
You gonna get your regular?
The cheese looks good.
Don't it?
Yes.
Hey, what's up, man? So we're back again. I don't know if you remember. It was you and the lady last time, right?
Yeah.
Last weekend, right?
Yeah.
So we're back.
So we might as well, you wanted caramel though too, right? 2 cheese and 1 kettle, please. 2 cheese? Yeah.
2 cheese and 1 kettle. Yeah, 2 goes. It's going. Even when we get them going.
I guess we can walk a little bit.
Have a good rest of your day, guys.
Thank you. Salsa.
What do you think?
But that was already $65 we spent.
Those are in the vegetarian side, so those are going to be $10, and then these right here individually are $10. And then this one's a straight mango ceviche right here, my man.
Do you eat ceviche?
Well, I tried it before, but I haven't.
If you like spicy, you will definitely love this
I
one.
love that.
I got my habanero hot sauce, or I have my chili paste oil. And then those are my spiciest ones. I do have samples. You want to get spiced up?
Yeah, let me try this.
Yeah. This one, you know what I'm saying? I can definitely deliver it with flavor and spiciness, you know what I'm saying?
What was that right there?
That's my award-winning sauce over here.
What's your award-winning?
Award-winning salsa right there.
And some chips.
This was raw, freshly made yesterday.
All freshly made yesterday.
Yes, sir. Don't mess around. So you don't see no brown in there, you know?
That's right.
And we don't put no preservatives or none of that stuff. We just put a layer of lime on the top, and then we just close it up, make sure all the air is out.
All right.
So every time you get a guacamole,
What's your name?
I'm Rico, man.
Rico? All right, Rico. I'm trusting you, Rico.
Oh, bro, I can definitely deliver, man.
You keep breaking my chip, Rico. I keep smaller chips, smaller.
You're crazy.
Man, that was good, man.
Yeah.
Award winning. That shit was good.
You want to try my spiciest one?
Man, that shit was good.
Well, get it.
Yeah, I think I'm
Get
gonna
it.
get, but I'm gonna
But
taste
you want to
the
try
guacamole.
that anyway.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna take it to a whole different level with this. You know what I'm saying? Everything's fresh.
Now I'm gonna tell you something. If you put whatever you made hot into that guacamole, you got a winner. Let me get
You
that.
can do that.
See what I'm saying? But you can buy this one.
Yeah, you can do
I
that.
can add a little more, huh?
Because the thing is, the customers, I usually make it really spicy, but not everybody likes the spicy here in this restaurant, you know?
Yeah.
But I can always consider that to always make one of those in the future. Get one of our business cards and you want to get a special order that, hey, you know what, I want a bigger tub with more spicy in it, or the same one, just add a little bit more spicy. I can
You'll do that
definitely
for me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now what I'm gonna do is, this one won. I understand why this is your winning one. So let me get one of these
All right, sounds
and
good.
some chips.
All right, you got it, man.
Hey yo, come down, check out Rico. Rico got it popping with the sauces.
sir.
Y'all know I like my sauces too. Y'all know I love to eat. We gonna eat TV. Y'all know what's up, right? check us out.
Thank you.
So we just got his award-winning sauce. He said this is his
Hot sauce.
habanero hot sauce. So, and we bought a bag of chips. You come down here, you get to taste the stuff. Stuff starts tasting so good, you end up spending your money real quick.
Right. We got up to what? Dang near almost 100
yeah,
in less than
$80.
Woo!
Yeah,
Less
$80
than what? 10 minutes?
Yeah, so that's it.
Be careful.
Be careful when you come up here.
So next time we'll walk through and we'll go further back.
Right.
And try the cold pressed juice and the barbecue next time.
All right.
So yeah, I just left the farmer's market and now I'm at Sprouts Farmer's Market because the city farmer's market does not have spinach and I wanted spinach. Plus I didn't care much for their vegetables that I had bought there and their fruit last time. It was kind of old. It went bad pretty fast. So I'm at Sprouts just grabbing a few items and then I'm out of here. Today, he got the Holy Detox Tea, and this is like a liver detox tea. It helps with bloating and other issues going on. So we're anxious to try that. I got the peach oolong tea again. That was really good. I love this tea. Gonna be making me a cup of that in a minute. And then we got this pomegranate tea, and this is an energy tea. Love pomegranate tea. This one's much smaller. I didn't realize it's that much smaller than the peach tea. But anyway. And then he gave us this free tea strainer. You guys know I use my cup, but this will be good for your boy because your boy don't have the cup like I got. And I drink out of that cup now. So I steep my tea, add my agave and my little lemon. Drink straight out the cup. Very convenient. What else did we get? We got 2 cheese popcorns from the popcorn people. That kettle corn was good, good, good. He got some chips from the salsa guy.
He wasn't shy on that camera.
Right. He wanted to be on that camera. He's like, that could help me get business. He's smart. Okay, so he got this salsa here. He said it was so good. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm definitely going to try it. So that's all we got from the farmer's market, from the outdoor farmer's market. But as I told you, I didn't buy any veggies from the outdoor market. So I went to Sprouts instead, because one thing about Sprouts, most likely you're gonna get some fresher vegetables. Plus I wanted spinach, and the farmer's market don't have spinach. So anyway, I got me 2 bags of spinach. Last night I made some garlic spinach with some lemon chicken and rice. I got these organic green grapes. I got some additional tea for stress relief. This stuff really relaxes you. And then I got this tropical mango tea. This tea is so good. But this is just an herbal tea, and sometimes I need a little kick in my tea. So I mix this with a green tea, with a bag of green tea, so I can get that little kick. Okay, so that's our little farmer's market haul for this Saturday. And we'll check back in with you guys later, because I'm gonna ride with him to this function. Hey guys, I forgot to show you my sangria that I got from Sprouts as well. Sangria. I'm gonna drink some tea to try to give me some energy. I'm not sure if his detox tea gives him energy. Anyway. A nice cup of tea all to myself this time. Let that steep for about 5 minutes. This is his cup right here. He is the boss of We Gon' Ride TV. I did get a free tea strainer when I purchased the tea today, but I already had one of my own. So this is my old one here that I'm using, and I'm gonna pour a little of this. Hey, you know, all that tea that's falling out on the paper towel is going right back in the bag. Okay, see?
Wake and bake 'em up. Life is too short to be playing games. Put something on their mind. Wake your punk ass up. That's what I thought too. Ain't nobody talking to him. It's gotta be in you, not on you. It's gotta be in you, not on you. Life is too short to play games. Gotta be in it to win it, so do your thing. It's got to be in you, not on you. It's got to be in you, not on you. Life is too short to play games. Gotta get out the hood to do your thing. Niggas don't know my struggle, don't know my life. Born and raised coming out the jungles. Homies left the hood, never did come back. I left the hood, homie, keep looking back. Take off that hot long sleeve shirt. It got hot real quick, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna go and handle some business, you know what I'm saying, that I was supposed to do. I was trying to put my caps on, so I might as well go and handle my business. You know, I be procrastinating, you know what I'm talking about? So here I am, I'm up in here, we up in here. Yeah, let me get this, I need something to put on my chip. Shout out to Vic for that, you know what I'm talking about? So the JB Ease Well is in the building. So I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna put them chips on, you know what I'm saying? You know, that's what it is. Life change, people change, things change. It is what it is. Let me stop procrastinating, let me do me, you know what I'm talking about? So that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, you guys, so while he's over there looking for his glue, I decided to take a look in the garden section of Lowe's. I'm gonna be redoing my balcony soon so it can be nice for the summer. I meant to do it in the spring, but I haven't gotten around to it because I've been so busy. So I'm gonna try to have it done for the summer. I like bright flowers, so these look pretty nice here. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Let me check out this lavender. I love lavender. I gotta grab me a couple of these, but not today because I need to clean the balcony off first. But I have such a hard time keeping lavender alive, but I'm still gonna get some. Whatever. But we don't have a yard, we just have a balcony, so I have to do what I have to do right now.
JB Welded.
You know what I'm saying? It's a big difference between the fun part and the fun part.
JB Welded.
Sometimes it don't really think about the video.
JB Welded. JB Welded.
If she respects herself, she got some self-esteem.
Okay, so we're back at the house after the change of plans. So I decided to make some fish real quick. Some fish and potato rounds and some salad to go with it. So this is a quick little throw together, unplanned throw together, but we have this stuff in the house, so we're cooking it. And we seasoned those potato rounds with some Tony's Creole seasoning. They were so good. So this is what we ended up eating, and that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Till next time, we gonna eat.